Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you my process in making a wig using a closure. I'm going to be using this 4x4 silk lace free part closure with baby hair. This was $25 at my local beauty supply. And the hair that I'm going to be using is Virgin Remi Black Remi Chocolate. I got this hair a while back. It was at my local beauty supply again, but it was on clearance for $4.99. So I mean, I was like, I'm not about to pass it up. I can use it for some $4.99. I'll take it. So yeah, I got two of them. Number 4, like I said, $4.99. It's a 10-inch. So I got the 10-inch hair, and the closure is also a 10-inch too. So after it's all done, we're gonna make something cute, and we're gonna make this 10 inches work. All right. So of course, we're gonna start by bleaching the knots on the closure. Let's take this thing off. This is the closure. So I got a pack of this BW2 powder. I'm just going to use just a little bit of it because we don't need a lot of it. And I'm going to be using, the 20 volume developer. And so I'm going to just take that and I am going to coat just the back of this. So I'm just going to do a thin, nice little thin layer. Alright. So, I'll let that sit for about 25-30 minutes. Okay, so I've rinsed the bleach out and shampooed it. I got this DIY Mesh Wig Cap. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it on my mannequin hair right here. Because y'all talk about my mannequin. She done been through some things. Okay. Okay. Alright, my pen is on here, and I'm going to make sure that it is laying a little bit just past the cap. Okay, so I got all 4 corners pinned, and I made sure the 2 right here, the 2 at the front right here, that I pulled these down tight so that it was laying across really flat across the front. So now I'm just going to go ahead and sew around the perimeter of the closure. Also, you want to make sure that with this mesh cap, you want to make sure that you're getting, when you go ahead and sew it down, you want to take it through the mesh only and not through the elastic band that's in there, because if you do that, it won't give you like any room to like tug on your wig a little bit. It's gonna be real tight and you won't be able to like move it or fit it around. So you want to make sure that you do not go through that elastic band. Alright y'all, so I'm almost done. Let me just show you how that, what I do is just gonna stick the needle through the edge of the closure, grab a little piece of that mesh and push it through, loop the string around the needle once, and then go ahead and pull it all the way through. And that is just what I've been doing all the way around. Okay, so I'm gonna take this first track and I'm going to line it around the perimeter of the wig cap. And just sew it all around like that. And this is so like if the wind blows or whatever, when it flies back, you can't see any of the tracks. So again, I'll be sewing where the elastic band is. So you want to make sure that you're only grabbing for the mesh only. Okay, y'all, so after I did that one, going all the way around the perimeter from side to side, I just started with the tracks and I just started going back and forth like so. And so it ended right here. And so now I'm gonna take this next pack of hair and I'm just gonna continue right here where I left this last track off right here. Right here. And I'm just gonna continue going back and forth. And I'll probably do like 3 more rows going back and forth with the tracks doubled, because all the tracks up into here have been doubled. So I'll probably do 3 more rows doubled, and then once I get closer to up here, I'll just start doing single tracks so that it's gonna lay flatter up in here. Okay, y'all, so I just finished and I'm really tripping right now because the closure is and the hair are 2 different colors. And I really wasn't tripping at first because, you know, this part was wet. And so I was thinking, you know, once it dried, it was going to dry a little bit lighter. And it is nowhere near the same color. So I'm probably going to have to bleach this part again, this whole piece, you know, and leave it on for a couple minutes. Try to lighten it up a little bit to get it to blend, you know, better with this part down here. But anyway, so I'm finished. I got it all sewn up around the closure. So I'm gonna take it off. So this is what it looks like inside out. Okay, and so I'm gonna take this part where the closure is, and I'm just going to cut around here where the closure is. And you want to be careful when you're cutting it because you don't want to cut that stitching where you stitch the closure at. Alright, y'all. So go ahead and put it on real quick and see how it's looking. Ooh, this mug fit good too. Girl, I cannot believe how off this color is. This don't make no sense. Girl, I just can't. Alright y'all, so I just woke up from a nap, from letting my wig dry. I slicked down my hair to mold it so that I'm able to put the wig on once I'm done with it. But let me tell y'all, I'm so excited at the outcome of this wig, y'all. So y'all know I showed y'all how different the colors were off from the closure and the actual hair. And so I went ahead and just bleached the whole closure to kind of lighten the color up a little bit. I'm just about to show y'all. It turned out so good and I'm so excited. Look at this. Look at that. I mean, it's still dark up in here, but I mean, it is blending perfectly. Like, I'm so excited that it turned out so well. I'm so excited because your girl was about to be looking crazy. I wasn't about to be looking crazy because I just probably wouldn't have worn it. So I'm going to go ahead and add some curls to her. I don't think I want to cut her any. I'm just going to curl it and wear her like so, alright? Okay, she is all done, y'all. I am loving the turnout of it. I'm not sure how long these wand curls are gonna last. They're already starting to like fall in the back down here. I sprayed them really good and they still falling. So I'm gonna put it on and I'm gonna, you know, finger comb it. So hopefully it'll still give me some cute like little wave pattern or whatever. So yeah, I think I did a pretty good job.